Welcome to Patricia High School learning class. In our previous class, we discussed credit. We looked at the meaning of credit, the types and sources of credit, the functions of credit to retailer and wholesaler, and the credit instruments. Today we'll be looking at profits. Profit is the financial benefit which accrues to a businessman. That is, profit is the reward you get from starting up a business. It is what you gain to start up a business. And you know the main purpose of starting up a business is to make profits. Profit represents the gain or reward resulting from investing one's capital in a business enterprise. To an accountant, profit is the excess of income over expenditure. He views profit from two perspectives: gross profit and net profit. To the economist, profit represents the reward of an entrepreneur. It is a measure of business performance and a means of rewarding business managers for taking the risk. Types of profit. You have gross profit and net profit. Gross profit is the excess of turnover over the cost of goods sold. It is the difference between the selling price and the cost price of a particular product. This is the total profit before any expense is deducted. The gross profit can be determined through the preparation of trading accounts. Gross profit is calculated as opening stock plus purchase less closing stock, and this is deducted from the sales revenue. 2. Net profit. The net profit is the essence of gross profit over the expenses. It is arrived at after all expenses incurred in that period have been deducted from gross profit. This is ascertained in the profit and loss account. Calculation of types of profit. Please ensure you pay attention and listen attentively to enable you understand how to calculate for the types of profit. Example: the following are the trading figures of Mike Trading Company Limited for the year ended 31st December 1986. We have creditors 20,000, premises 20,000, machinery 20,000, cash 20,000, debtors 30,000, stock 50,000, cost of goods sold 100,000, sales 200,000, plants 30,000, rents 10,000. Question: from the above, calculate the fixed assets, the working capital, gross profit, and net profit. Fixed assets are those things that is used for continuous production, and in the question we have premises 20,000, machinery 20,000, plant 30,000. These are the fixed assets, and the total is 70,000. Then working capital. In our previous class, when we were talking about capital, I told you that working capital, the formula for getting working capital is current assets minus current liabilities. You sum up all the current assets and you sum up all the current liabilities, then you subtract each other. That is how to get the working capital. In our question, we have cash 20,000, debtors 30,000, stock 50,000 as the current asset, and you sum up all of them, you get 100,000. Then in our question, current liabilities, we only have creditors as the current liabilities, which is 20,000. So to get the working capital, we say 100,000 minus 20,000, which is 80,000. This is the working capital. Then to get the gross profit, we say sales minus cost of goods sold. Sales in the question is 200,000 and the cost of goods sold in the question is 100,000. So when you subtract both of them, you get 100,000. The net profit is gross profit minus expenses, and we have gotten our gross profit as 100,000. The expenses, how many expenses do we have? It's only one, which is rent. So rent is 10,000. So we say 100,000 minus 10,000 is 90,000. This is the net profit. Assignment: the differentiation between gross profit and net profit. Please ensure you go through the question and the explanation in order to help you understand properly how to calculate for the gross profit, the net profit, the working capital, and the fixed assets. Thank you very much for listening. Please ensure you copy the notes and you go through your notes for proper understanding. I'm Mr. Sunday. Till we meet again. Thank you.